Hey guys, it's Chris Fix. Today we have a Ford Kuga 1.5 petrol 2015 I guess, and we have to do the camblet on this car, and I want to show you a few things about it, how to make an idea how to do this job. And so like I said, this is a petrol engine. You have to remove the driver's side wheel to have space to access on the crank pulley here to remove it. And usually for this type of job, like this is ecobust, you need some special tools. You have to remove the starter, oil cooler, make some space there because you have to lock the crank. But it's not the first time I'm doing this kind of job, so I'm doing without this kind of tools. So you have the engine here. This is the engine. I took everything out. It's very important to remove the alternator. This is located here, so I took the two bolts on the top out and loose the others on loose the bolt on the bottom and pull it out to make some space, because the cover is coming. It's like a bracket here with the alternator, and you have to remove the panel which is coming here, the plastic one. We have the coolant bottle which is coming here, engine mount. To remove the engine mount, you have to jack it up, so put the axle stand underneath on the oil sump, and quite a lot of pins to be removed to do this job. A market, so to set it on the TDC and put the piston cylinder number 1, put it up. I put mine up and I make a mark on the level there, and I mark the camshaft here as well. I mark it this one, I mark it here as well, just to be sure everything is gonna sit right. And I set the TDC. I made a mark there as well. That one it's spinning free after you remove the pulley, the crank pulley. And now I'm waiting for parts to come. I already ordered the parts. It's very important when you do the camblet on this to replace the water pump, because the water pump is located right here. So if you don't replace the water pump and this one is gonna fall, you have to remove the camblet again to do the water pump. So roughly idea, this is what we need to do on these cars. Make some space here, release everything. So the coolant bottle, we have the cover, alternator is come off. If you have the tools, the special tools, you have to remove the starter motor, which is located somewhere here down, because you have to lock the crank. So you do like on the flywheel there. So this is what I did. This is my way to do it. Underneath the car here, because I don't have these tools, but underneath the car there is a bracket here, and when you have that tools, you have to remove this bracket and you can lock it somewhere here. You have the locking point. But in my case I have now the engine is sitting on the axle stand. I can leave the car to show you, but somewhere there on the top of the shaft, somewhere there you can have a space there. You can see the flywheel, and I can lock it there. And like I said, this is not the first time I'm doing this kind of job, so this is my way. I'm not telling you to do the same like me, just I'm telling you how I'm doing myself. So now I'm waiting the parts. Everything is gonna come back on place, and I'm gonna make another video when I'm gonna start the engine. And that's it. Another job will be done. Thanks for watching, guys.